so you guys have seen us build a bunch of showers. And this in particular I wanted to talk about. This is a pretty unique concept, which is becoming more and more popular. Basically, it's a curbless shower. So you just walk in, it's the same shower pan all the way throughout. So this area right here is where you're gonna see the freestanding tub. Then this spout that you see coming out of here is gonna be the tub faucet. And then this is gonna be one shower head with a diverter, another shower head with a diverter. And the cool thing is it's gonna be a doorless shower, which is gonna have this glass panel all the way, almost about 5 feet. And then your tub is gonna be here. So the guys are fixing to put the grout on the tile. This is already done. They just need that little section, and probably in about a week and a half, it'll probably be done. And posting the pictures out of this. So if you're looking for a cool shower like this, give us a call.